So what's up, guys? So it's gonna be a KLR related video today. So everybody knows that I've got the Tusk Panniers on my KLR, and I'll go ahead and pan on them right now. So I bought these boxes. I was waffling between getting those and the Mosko-Moto or the Wolfman Luggage ones, the soft-sided ones. Most of my riding this bike is commuting to work and back and leaving it at home, so I opted to get the hard bags because I feel like my stuff is more secure in them. I can lock them and they're waterproof and they can stay there, and I don't have to worry about someone cutting a strap or cutting the bag open or unzipping it and getting away with whatever I might have in here. But after going down on it that one time and talking to other people, these bags, the hard bags, have pros and cons. It could fall down on my leg and break a bone, but it could also fall down, my leg will not get pinned under the bike if this tips over on its side. So there's pros and cons, but I figured that for trail riding or camping, back road, mountain riding, I'm going to switch these out, and I've got an idea. I'm going to put this camera down on a tripod and I'm going to talk about what I'm going to get. So the plus thing with these Tusk Panniers is this the rack system that's on it already. So even if I take the boxes off, I still have a protective system right here, a protective rack that if I have saddlebags or whatever else. Now this idea I'm going to show you is not original and it's not mine, but I wanted to share it because I'm going to figure out how to make it work. So stand by. For camping, trail riding, and other things, I wanted some soft luggage, but I didn't want to spend $400 or $500 on another set of bags. Now, you know, the Tusk Panniers, the large ones, they're not cheap, but they're not as expensive, say, as the Mosko-Moto or the Wolfman Luggage. But you know what is cheap, and what I have a lot of already? Army surplus bags. Now this is a medium U.S. Army rucksack, and this is in bad shape. As you can see, look, I mean, the piping is coming off around the pockets right here. You see that? I don't care. I don't care. I'm not going through an inspection. Same as right here. So, and over here too. So $10 I paid for this. It was I bought two of them. I already had a couple, but I wanted one specifically for this. And you know, it's not going to be waterproof because this, see that? That's under the flaps. That's where the rubber is gone. But you know, it is waterproof. And I had a couple of these already too. Let's just open up this bag and I'll show you. So this right here, this bag is a 3V Gear Nautilus 30-liter dry bag, and it fits inside the medium rucksack perfectly. I mean, it's almost like it was made to fit in there. So I can put this inside this rucksack, have waterproof capabilities for my gear, and protect it from the elements, right? But what I haven't figured out yet is how I'm going to mount these on here. But as you can see, they're high enough to where they're not going to interfere with anything. They're far enough away from the muffler that I don't know if if this muffler gets hot. I haven't noticed anything on the Tusk Panniers to indicate that there's enough heat coming off of here to mess with the paint on the other side of it, but I'll look real quick. It doesn't look like there's any heat damage at all on the back of that. So, you know, I figure I put one here and put one on the other side, and I can use the existing strap connectors just to run a simple strap through one side across to the other. Now I'm not going to mount them right now because I don't want to take the other box off, and it's a little chilly outside right now. It is winter time, but this is going to be my my setup. And another thing I considered is the frames. I got frames for these packs too. I just don't know how they're going to go on there. That's kind of getting close to under the bike, but that might work. But see, this is in the way right here. So yep, I just don't know how to do it. I guess I could put it backwards. We could do it that way, right? Put the frame in reverse. I'm not going to wear it on my back, so it doesn't really matter. So I could mount it just like that, and the bag could come off of the frame if I wanted it to. So if I could figure out a way to mount the Alice Pack frame on here, I'm sure I could get it on there with no problem, but it's not the best way to do it. So I don't know if I'm going to use the frame or not. And that's a little too high coming up on the seat. But I think I could just use them as throw over saddlebags and just use the existing straps here to go under the corner of each side. And it's almost exactly wide enough for these Tusk Panniers. So I hooked one on that corner and that put this one on this corner, as you can see right here. Put those two straps around the corners. Bring this up, strap it up to the top here, and just drape the straps across to the other bag. And I've got a set of so I don't know what, I can't remember what I paid for the Tusk or the Nautilus 30-liter bags, but these two medium army rucksacks are going to be my soft luggage for trail riding, camping, and they hold a lot. I have waterproof liners for each of these pockets as well, and also have the Pelican case, and I can strap a sleeping bag or a tent or whatever else I need. So yep, once I next year I guess I'll have them all mounted up, and we'll have a follow-up video to that, how I mounted them and everything else. But that's my plan for my soft luggage. So Army surplus medium-sized rucksack for left and right panniers on a KLR 650. Have a good one. Talk to y'all later. So hey guys, if you like that video and this content is something you're having interest in, or you want to know more information about this KLR 650 or modifications you can do to it, or what I've done to it, or anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate you watching it. And if you enjoyed it, click that thumbs up button down below and click that little bell down there so you know when I upload more videos. As always, be safe out there, and I'll talk to y'all again soon.